with any of your Fiskars 45mm blades. So I mean, when I'm saying any of them, you can do it with your pivoting rotary cutter, you can do it with your standard one, you can do it with your cutting and ruler combo. And what you need to do, and it's the same sort of thing with all of them, do you want me to show you like that, Paul? I'm going to take it out and I'm going to put it and change the blade. So, let me move the machine over, and this will probably be a bit easier. Thank you, Paul. Wherever you're comfortable, I'm just going to try and do this as safely as possible. So, unscrew. There you go. And then, take this off. Now, you take this whole orange thing off. It will all come off. Be careful, you do not touch it. It's all magnetic. It's all magnetic, which is great. So that will not fall out. That will stay there and it will not fall out. I then take my blade changing tool. There's a section on the back which will say old blades. You can't quite see that on air, but it does say old blades. So you know, because there's two sections. I was like, oh, which side do I go? It's really self-explanatory. Again, that goes in here and it will clip into place. That's magnetic. I then turn that over and that is in. That's staying in there. Great way of, you know, disposing your blades as well. Now here, if I flip this over, you've got this side here with the little lever. Now that is again magnetic. So straight away, that is then putting my next rotary blade into the section that I'm going to need here. I'm not touching it at all. My fingers are going nowhere near the blades. Then I pull it back. It's there ready for me to take my magnet again. Can you see it's got a little magnet on here? I'm then going to put this over the top. It will clip into place like so. I think that's done. It's literally as quick as that. Picked it up. Brand new, nice sharp blade, ready to go back into my Fiskars cutter, which is here. Now, obviously, if you're using this cutter, you want to make sure the orange is facing up, because if I have it the other way around, then it's not going to be exposed. That's how I put it on yesterday, and I thought, hang on, how am I going to cut? So then that slips on. It's still all magnetic. I'm not having to touch it at all. Put my screw back on, and it's literally as easy as that. And that's with all of your rotary cutters from Fiskars. So I love that tool, and I was thinking, I don't know how difficult that is to do. It's so easy.